Good afternoon again, guys. So it's a day of firsts for cutting for me today then. This is my Stihl 038, one of my last Stihls in fact from this era. So the 038 I think is, forgetting when they were, 1980 again, which is what I was collecting for quite a while. 62 cc's I think, is it a 61? And can run from a 16 to a 32 I believe bar. This has got a 20-inch bar, brand new chain, never cut with her. And so I'm doing this video as well to show a really nice guy up north, Gavin, big shout out, and I'll certainly give you first refusal if you want this particular chainsaw. And so I'll do cuts for the first time today and see how she performs. I genuinely have no idea. I've never cut with her. She's just been hanging as a showpiece, filling up part of my collection. So right, let's see how she performs. It's a brand new chain, so I guess it may stretch very slightly, and she may well want adjusting for cutting in wood, but they're an iconic saw. She has great compression, starts easily, there doesn't appear to be any damage around her, and like I say, it's I checked the piston's in amazing condition. Okay, let's see how she runs. Got a little selection of wood. I'll start with some smaller cuts and then perhaps do something slightly bigger if I'm happy that she's running okay. And I have no doubt if it's not running 100%, then Gavin, you're the man to set it up perfectly. Far more proficient than me. Okay, so switch. Wow, my goodness, she cuts fantastic. Okay, so the 8-inch ash is effortless, as is the fir tree. I'm going to put it onto some about 16-inch. We'll see how she cuts with something bigger, but that's incredible. Doesn't appear to be any appreciable chain slackening. Right, wow, she cuts amazing. Okay. It's a mistake I often make. I don't support the wood very well, and then I end up just dragging the wood slightly. I've got to be more disciplined when I'm cutting, particularly with some of these saws. Just prop her slightly. Okay. Okay. So, that's a very tiny bit rich. Cuts amazingly clean. Wow, cut spectacular. See if I can throw on a restart. Oh, she's running a bit rich. Seems unhappy restarting. I shall check why and come back in a minute, guys. Hi guys, I'm back. So that was interesting. As you just saw, she didn't, on the restart, didn't want to fire. So just taken off the top, checked the plug was wet, checked the needle settings on the low setting, and she's out a screw 1 3/4 turns. So, and that's, I know that's incredibly rich, and I guess I've never noticed that before because I've never cut with her before. So I put her back to 1 1/4 turns, and let's see how she runs now. But evidently, because she just hasn't been used for a long time, she has great compression. Please bear in mind she's going to need setting up, or need somebody more competent than me setting it up for cutting in wood. Beautiful engine. Okay, wow, amazing cutting machine. Just really knotted hardwood through the knots on purpose, just to show what it was going to be like cutting in the nastiest section. Absolutely effortless, cuts beautifully. I'll quickly show her on a restart. Okay guys, many thanks for watching, and hopefully, if it's not for gabbing, then hopefully it's suitable for one of you guys out there. Bye for now.